What's going on YouTube? Medic is back here, bringing you guys another video today. Got my longboard, actually nickel board, out, and it is December 25th, I believe. Let me check so I'm not crazy. December 25th. It's the strangest Christmas I've ever had, for sure. It's like 60 degrees, but you know, I can't complain. It's a nice day today. I'm gonna bring you guys a GoPro video of me in the Prius. My friend with the Saab is pulling up, and we're just gonna, you know, vibe out and bring you guys a little something special today. So happy holidays to everyone observing any of the holidays. Wish you the best and continue watching. Peace. Alright guys, always been riding boards. Probably one of my favorite ways to go transportation wise. A lot more fun than a bike, just because you're so like free flowing. And it's hilarious because I just had some guy walk by me and he was just like, what is this grown adult person doing on a board? But you know, you can never be too old for this stuff. Look both ways. I mean, this thing flies, guys. Probably go like 15-20 miles an hour. I should be wearing a helmet, but it's okay. I mean, I'm not going too far. Anyways, my friend with the Saab said he's coming. I don't know if he is or not. Wait like 2 more minutes. If he's not here, we're gonna start the video. But here she is. Mean looking Prius. I gotta fix it up a little bit. Need some paint correction, and I don't know what to do about this bumper. As you can see, that part snapped off. Love the keyless go entry. And here we are inside. Anyways, like I was saying before, I really appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting on the videos. Oh my friend's coming. You know, anyways, you know, it's been such a great time making these. Super grateful for all the blessings, thankful for all the followers and all the subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to my heart. But with the Saab just pulled up. Hello YouTube. Got quite the combination here. And as you can see, you know, 2.0 Saab. he doesn't like the camera, but anyways, we're about to go cruise, and I'm gonna strap this on my hat, and we're gonna, you know, get some GoPro footage. So thank you guys, and keep on watching. All right guys, we're back. We're just going on a tiny cruise, nothing too crazy. It's a nice Lexus. Anyways, hopefully we can car spot maybe. I don't even know. Let me put my seatbelt on. Anyways, guys, it's 63 degrees on this Christmas day. Very interesting. Very, very interesting indeed. 2 o'clock today. Anyways, what I got for Christmas, I probably just got some money. Honestly, nothing too spectacular. I don't even know, maybe I should just go. A little Prius action. This thing's pretty quick. And you know, it's fun to drive. It's fun to drive for sure. Very economical, getting almost 100 miles per gallon. It says 37.4, but I've been flooring it like everywhere. And he's a geeker. He's a geeker. He's looking at me. I mean, I look ridiculous with this camera on. Let's just be honest, guys. I mean, you'd see me in the little mirror right there. But you know what? I do it for the YouTube. You know, I'm a YouTube enthusiast. I love showing off cars. Gotta do it for the YouTube, man. I'm dedicated. No kizzy. But you know what? It's cool and all. I mean, we really get the content out here, and it's sweet. It's sweet. He's looking at me. Let's see flooring. This is flooring in the Prius. I mean, you can't. That was only like 40. I don't know what the 0 to 60 on this is, but it's not fast, I will say. It's not fast at all. Nothing like Saab power. I mean, Saab, you be kicking in the Saab. Yeah, you can just hear that, man. I mean, it's a nice car. Anyways, you know, it's been really fun just filming this car. And right now we're just going on a little cruise. I mean, it would have been in my BMW, but unfortunately I did you know, hit the curb in it, unfortunately, and I'm still in the process of fixing it. Should be back within like a week or two, possibly a month, fully running. It's been a great experience nonetheless. I mean, super fun car to drive, and it's just, everything's been awesome. I mean, I love the Prius. Prius is so much fun. I literally just press the start. I really should warm up the engine, but I honestly feel like it runs better without warming it up. It's a woman walking her big dog. I mean, that dog is bigger than that woman right there. But yeah, this is a nice little scenic area. Super fun. I love driving in this area. I mean, there's always something. Nice car, nice scenery. It's everything you can imagine, honestly. And yeah. Just going on a little cruise. Oh, that's the little kids on. She had the moped. I don't even know what that was. It was pretty cool. Little Christmas toys. But I'm just vibing out here. I'm looking at other places to do some filming. I'm gonna figure out, you know, good weather. I typically like doing it during the daytime. I have to mix in the fact that I'm also working. I work at Starbucks. Shout out Starbucks, you guys are awesome. Really good part-time job if you're looking for a part-time job. They have really good full-time benefits too. But I'm really trying to build my YouTube channel. I'm also streaming on Twitch. If you guys are into Dota 2, I do be streaming Dota 2 on there. If you guys are interested, I can link it in my description box. I'm trying to be a little bit more active on that. Love playing Dota. And yeah, otherwise, maintenance wise with this car, bought new tires for it. I have to replace the wheel bearings on this car. I'll probably do a video on that as well. And I'll just, you know, keep on driving this thing. I mean, this thing just keeps on going. I believe this car is at 164,000 miles, which is to me a lot of miles. Knock on plastic. It's been very solid and very fun to drive. I think this car excels when you're in traffic. Probably do a video while I'm in traffic, honestly, just to show off the features of this car. It's very economical and super easy to work with. This car is sweet. This car is sweet. I mean, look at some of these houses where people live, man. I mean, that gated iron fence. Like, I wonder if they're doing YouTube, honestly. I mean, I wonder what they're doing with their time. Like I was saying in past videos, time is so valuable, and I'm really trying to use my time to build this community that I have already. I love everyone that, you know, are car enthusiasts. I really appreciate y'all. It's so much fun to talk about cars and just share experiences. Some modifications I'm also looking at this car. I am looking at possibly, you know, upgrading the speakers. Speakers definitely need an upgrade in this car. I think they'll enhance the experience for sure. It's probably gonna need some suspension work also, but the drivetrain of this car is very solid. There is an exhaust leak that I will have to fix. Muffler is like $100. I'll probably have to get it welded on, cut and welded. Thankfully my catalytic converter's still on. I'm gonna knock on plastic. I know that there's a lot of cat thieves. I'm so sorry for anyone that's had that issue. I mean, that's just petty on whoever does that, and surely karma will occur. Look at these construction of these houses they're building. Interesting. Oh. Yeah. Handling in this car is pretty good, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. Front wheel drive cars typically have pretty good cornering and handling and stuff. But other than that, life's been great. Hope you guys had a great holiday. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not. My name is Murderkiss, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.